9 years old. I'm the co-founder of TenXAutoKids.com, and if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, share this video, and subscribe my channel if you have not done yet. And now we are gonna learn while loops. So without any delay, let's get started. Okay, I've opened my Google Chrome and I'm opening W3 School. Learn Python and while loops. So, Python while loops. Python loops. Python has two primitive loops commands. So, what does this word primitive mean? Okay, so primitive means like it's a built-in that built-in loop which are like already like from Python it's given. And so yeah, so these are the two loops which are most used and are made from Python. Okay, so the while loop, I'm saying it's made of from Python because the Python function is what you do. The Python, the functions, what does it does? It you can make your own methods. So stay tuned on my channel. Okay. So let's start now. The while loop. With the while loop, we can execute a set of statements as long as the condition is true. Okay, so print I as long as I is less than I. Less than I, not less than I, less than 6. Sorry. So you're saying like over here you're making a variable called I and its value is 1. Then we are saying while I less than x. So yes, I is less than x, it goes into either while loop and it's print I, so it prints 1 and it sees I is plus equals to 1. So plus equals to means that add addition. So 1 plus 1 2. So now i's value is 2. 2 less than 6, yes, it goes inside the while loop, it prints 2. Then it changes i's value to 3. I is less than 6, I mean 3 is less than 6, it prints 3. And now i's value is 4. Now 4 is less than 6, so it prints 4. And now i's value is 5, so it 5 is less than 6, so it prints I, so it prints 5. And now i's value is 6, so it says while I is less than 6. 6 is not less than 6, it is equals to 6, so they are the same value now. So it will then go out of it, so it will print 1 2 3 4 and 5. See? Now, note. Remember to increment I or else the loop will continue forever. What does it mean is like that you need to if you will like not remove this statement, if like you will not put this oh, one second. Yeah, if you will not put this statement, so it will be it will be a infinite loop. It will this loop will continue forever and ever, because 1 is less than 6 all the time and we are not changing its values only. See, if I'll print it, I mean run it, it will take some time. on this try it editor of W3 schools, it crashes the code, so I'll open my ideally. Where is ideally? See, it's coming one. Oh my goodness, it's not stopping. See? Huh? See? See? This scroll is not ending only. What the? Look at this. Look. See? So it is an infinite loop. Okay? Now, the while loop requires relevant variables to be ready. In this example, we need to define an indexing variable I which we set to 1. I've already told you, let's go on. Okay, the break statement. So, what does a break keyword do? I mean, the break statement do. So, it will break the code in between only. Okay, so let's see. So what is it doing? With the break statement, we can stop the loop even if the while condition is true. Okay. So first I is equals to 1. So while I less than 6, print I. It prints 1. Because 1 is less than 6, it goes in the while loop, it prints 1. It says if I equals to 3, 1 is not equals to 3, it's less than it. So it will not go inside this if statement, and it will print. Now its i's value is 2, so it goes inside the while loop. 2 is not I mean 2 is less than 6, so it prints I. If I equals to 3, so no, 2 is not equals to 3, so it now i's value is 3. Now it go inside the while loop. Then 3 less than 6, yes, so it goes inside the while loop and it prints 3 first. Okay, then we are doing if I is equals to 3. So yes, I is 3 is equals to 3 only, so it will go inside the if statement and it sees this keyword break. So over here our while loop is ended, over here our while loop is finished. So it will print 1 2 3. I hope you understood the break statement. Now the continue statement. Now what does the continue statement do? It will is like with the continue statement we can stop the current iteration and continue with the next. Okay, so see I is equals to 0 right now, so 0 is less than 6, so yes, it goes inside the while loop, and now right now i's value is 1. Then it sees if I equals to 3, it this is not the correct statement, so it prints I, so it prints 1. Then it goes inside it. Now i's value is 1, so 1 less than 6, yes, it goes inside this, so 2. And if I equals to 3, no, I is not equals to 3, I mean 2 is not equals to 3, so it prints I, so it prints 2. Now i's value is 2 only, so 2 less than 6, yes, I plus equals to 1, so i's value is 3. If I equals to 3, yes, I is equals to 3, I mean 3 is equals to 3, so it see this continue, right? So it will not print the I, it's just see this continue word, a continue statement, and it will not print 3, it will continue over here, so then it will keep on continuing. So right now we didn't print 3, but we continued the loop 1 to 6. but it didn't print 3 because I is I mean 3 was equals to 3, the same value. So it says continue, and we are not doing print I because this situation, the condition was not false, right? Now the else statement. So what does the else statement do? Let's read. With the else statement we can run a block of code once when the condition no longer is true. So right now, when i's value is 1, then i's value is 2, then i's value is 3, then i's value is 4, then i's value is 5, then in the end i's value is 6. So now a 6 is not less than 6. So it goes inside the else statement and prints I is no longer less than 6. So it will print 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, and then I is no longer than 6, less than 6. Now let's do the exercise. Okay. So we want to do print I as long as I is less than 6. Okay, so we will use a while loop, of course, because we are studying while loop. While I less than 6, so you'll give a colon here. Okay, correct. Stop the loop if I is 3. I's value is 3. So we had learned this keyword, I mean statement. This break is a keyword. Okay, now in the loop when I is 3, jump directly in the next iteration. So you will put here continue, correct, and the last, we don't need this wrong, we will not get this wrong. Okay, print a message once the condition is false. So we just learned it right now. You will give an else over here. Submit answer. So it's correct. Yay, we are finished already. So guys, I hope you like the video, and so guys, we hope I hope you like the video. Smash that like button and see you all next time. Good. Bye.